Hi guys, it's Khushi and welcome to another episode of DIY Fridays. In today's video, I'm going to try out something different and that is paper cut illustration. So let's start. You will need 6-7 sheets of paper. You can do more or less depending on how many layers you want. The base layer does not have a cutout, so keep that one aside. Here I'm working on the second layer. Just draw a freehand abstract shape and then carefully cut it without tearing it. We have to repeat this process about 5 times. Now when you repeat, place the cutout on the sheet, place the centerpiece also, then remove the cutout without moving the centerpiece. This will give you a clear idea about where you have to draw the next one. Just make sure you're drawing a bigger abstract shape than the previous one. Once you're done with all the cutouts, place it like how I'm doing, starting with the plain sheet, then followed by the smaller to bigger cutouts. This will give you an idea about how it is going to look. On the remaining pieces of paper, draw whatever elements you want to draw. I'm going to draw some seagrass and a fish. Now it's time to color. I'm going to use Camel Artist watercolor cakes. Trace out the first cutout on a blank sheet to have a clear idea where you have to paint. Start with the darker shade of blue, and as you go on to the next cutout, mix some water. This will lighten the shade and create an amazing effect. Now once you're done with the cutouts, set them aside to dry and paint the other elements. Once you're happy with the seagrass and the fish you just painted, cut them carefully. The elements are ready. Now let's build a paper cut illustration. Before that, we will need some squares of cardboard which will create depth. Start with the base layer, apply Fevicol on all four corners, place the square pieces of cardboard. Now flip the second cutout, place even smaller pieces of the cardboard around the cutout and apply Fevicol and stick the cutout. Now repeat this process with all the cutouts and also decide where you want to place the fish and seagrass and do that accordingly. The paper cut illustration is ready. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did then give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. If you want to watch more such DIY videos then do let me know in the comment section, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.